and I made $2,520 in commission using only free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, in today's video, guys, I will show you step by step which affiliate links I was promoting on Pinterest. I will show for beginners. I will show you guys step by step how you can join affiliate marketing with $0 and start making some commission like this and so much more. Okay, and as you can see in my balance over here, I have $2,520. I will withdraw this commission very soon by the end of this month. Okay, so I will update this page so you guys can make sure it's not fake, and as you can see the numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, so anyways, so for people who want to start making some money with affiliate marketing like this, so what you need to do first, you need to go to Google. So step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link over here, and you just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do, you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down, keep scrolling down, go to community and click over here on affiliate. Okay, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do next, click over here on join now. Okay, and you will be directly in this sign up process page as you can see. So what you need to do next, just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private, scroll down. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say no. So choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go to Google and search for Pinterest. Okay, because we will promote our affiliate links on Pinterest, so we need to create Pinterest account. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, after you finish, and make sure to open a business account. Okay, not personal account, you need to choose Pinterest business account. After you finish, go back to your home page on Fiverr. So now I'm gonna share with you guys which affiliate link I was promoting on Pinterest. I was promoting a lot of affiliate links and I will share with you one of my profitable affiliate links. Okay, click on this search over here and search for social media manager. Okay, so search for this keyword, social media manager, for this service. Okay, I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here on Fiverr providing this service. So I want you to pay attention in this step. Okay, so always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 2 seller, level 1 seller, top rated seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, and a lot of people are searching for a social media manager to manage their account. So this is one of my profitable services. Okay, so what you will do, so let's choose one of those services. I will be a social media, so this one. So scroll down, as you can see this one is a really good one. Okay, this one is top rated seller, he has 5-star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page, and as you can see this person has 200 orders in queue. A lot of people are buying this service. You can get a lot of commission from this service. As you can see, a lot of people are buying this service. People keep coming back. Okay, so a lot of people are searching for social media manager. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this profile seller link like this. Okay, and you will go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. click over here and put this profile seller link here like this. Click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, so what you need to do next, you need to go to Pinterest. So we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links. Click on home feed, click on create pin. Okay, you will be directly in this page. Go back to this profile seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, click on his picture, upload this picture to your laptop, double click, save image. Okay, save image and click on save. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Okay, so let me find the picture. This is my picture. Click on open, and here you go. Scroll down, you need to put here title. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr, copy his title like this, go back to Pinterest and put this title over here, description. Go back to this seller page on Fiverr, scroll down, about this gig, this is his description. Okay, copy this description, go back to Pinterest and put this description here like this. Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. Okay, go back to Pinterest, put this affiliate link here, scroll down, click on choose a board, and if you have new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. Okay, I already have, I will choose for example this one. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keywords related to this service. Okay, go back, just go back to this seller page, keep scrolling down. So just keep scrolling down and you should see related tags. Okay, so you should find the related tags, copy those keywords. Okay, like this. Go to Pinterest and put those keywords here like this. Go back again and copy those keywords like this. Go to Pinterest, I will put paste, and they will go back and they will copy this one. Go to Pinterest and put this keywords here. After you finish, click on publish. Okay, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. And let me show you this. Okay, I didn't show you this before, so let me show you. So did you know that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitor? Okay, 1 billion monthly visitor per month. Okay, that's really a lot. A lot of people are scrolling and using Pinterest. 1 billion monthly visitor. This number is enough. I don't need to explain more. Okay, so you should start promoting your affiliate links on Pinterest, because millions of people are using Pinterest every single day. Okay, and as you can see, I share with you this service that a lot of people are already buying. As you can see, this is just this one. As you can see over here, this person has 200 orders in queue. Okay, that's really a lot, as you can see here. Okay, a lot of people are buying this service from this seller. This seller is making a lot of money, and a lot of people are searching for how to hire social media manager, how to find social media manager. And this is what I did. I go to Pinterest and I search for what people are searching for, and I do my own research, and I found what people are searching for on Pinterest to promote as an affiliate marketer with Fiverr. Okay, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you have new Pinterest account, make sure to promote just between 1 and 2 affiliate links per day. If you promote a lot, your account will get banned if you have a new account. Okay, I have old Pinterest accounts. I have a lot of Pinterest accounts. So, but for you, start just with 1 Pinterest account. grow your Pinterest account, get some engagement, some views, some traffic, then you can start with a new account. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.